Hello, again. Thought I'd come outside and kick a soccer ball for a while, but it's just not looking like it. It's raining a lot still. It's been raining since last night and it just won't stop. Can't be active. I've been inside playing video games. Ugh. Well, it's Sunday, so happy Mother's Day to the mother that's watching this. Love you, Mom. It's been an okay day. Really bad, actually, for us. I'm not gonna get into details of what happened, but that bathroom's just messed up. I mean, the electricity went out in it and everything. Sucks that it happened on Mother's Day, but there's nothing we can do about it, so oh well. Let's see. Dad's went well. Didn't really do anything. Played cards, something was fun. Jesus. This garage is a mess. Had it nice and clean a while back. Yard sale and everything just went to heck. Glasses was on. I think these are Michael's sister's fiancés. Oh yeah, I bet this will look great. Well, guess I should go back inside before I get too wet. I don't really want to, but okay. Like a little sign, Basset Hound Xing crossing. I bet you like that. We have a Basset Hound, a Chihuahua, and now a German Shepherd. It's Fritzy. You'll meet her soon. I'll make a video with her in it, and the other ones. A lot of animals, actually. 4 cats. You'll meet them probably separately, or maybe at the same time sometime. Well, I'm heading inside, so I'm gonna go. See ya.